Hello everyone and welcome to the Kiki London YouTube channel. My name's Amanda and in today's video we are going to be looking at how to apply the Kiki London Mirror Chrome powders. So I really hope you all enjoy watching. To start off with, these are the 6 Mirror Chrome shades available and we're going to take a really quick look at the different colours. So first of all we have pink, which is a really pretty kind of like a rose gold pink. Do bear in mind that you may get slightly a different effect from these colors depending on what color base you put them over, but we do recommend putting them over a dark base to get the full mirror chrome effect. Next up we have a brilliant bright blue, and then we're jumping into this super stunning purple. It's kind of like somewhere between a lighter purple and a darker pink. It's a really pretty shade. And then next up we have your classic silver mirror chrome. This one looks absolutely beautiful. And then we have copper. Now this one I think is my favorite from the 6. It is absolutely stunning. It's a really bright bronze orangey shade. And then lastly in the collection we have a classic gold, which again is an absolute must-have. Now let's look at how to apply your mirror chromes. So with each mirror chrome you will get an applicator, or you can use your Kiki London silicone tool, and for the purpose of today's video I'm going to apply these over a black gel polish. So if you was working on yourself or a client, you would need to do all of your prep and base coat to begin with, and then you're going to come in and apply your first coat of Kiki London, either classic black or black heart. Here I'm using classic black. We're going to cure that first coat for 30 seconds and then come in and apply our second coat. Whenever you are working with black gel polish, you want to keep it nice and thin, and if you are working with chromes over the top, you want to make sure you're keeping your application nice and even and smooth. So as you can see, we've got a super smooth base. The next step is really important. You need to come in and apply a no wipe top coat. You can use any of the Kiki London no wipe top coats. Here I'm using the Hema free one. The mirror chromes need to be applied over a no wipe top coat, so that's why it's really important that you apply this and cure this. Then I'm going to take the little applicator brush, dip into a generous amount of my mirror chrome and start rubbing it over that cured no wipe top coat. As you can see, it applies on absolutely beautifully with ease. It's very simple. I'm just using a really light touch and brushing this over the entire nail, making sure to come around and cap that free edge. This is what it looks like once you have burnished that chrome in, and you may notice you've got some excess. This is where you want to take your Kiki London dust brush. It is really important that you use a soft brush for this step, so the dust brush is perfect for this, and you just want to dust over the nail, and then as you can see it's removed any of that excess chrome that wasn't needed. Then the next step is to come in and seal your mirror chrome in. I would highly recommend using the no wipe rubber top coat for this because it is a slightly thicker consistency. So we're going to apply this to the entire nail, and another important step here is to make sure that you are capping your free edge. Chrome can be a little bit finicky and it can chip, so it's very important that you come in with your top coat and come around the free edge. This is going to avoid any chipping. This is another reason why I would highly recommend top coating with the no wipe rubber top coat, but if you don't have the rubber top coat you can also use 2 coats of your classic no wipe top coat, and of course you can top coat these with a matte top coat as well if you would like a matte finish. I did then pop my rubber top coat in to cure for 60 seconds. Depending on the top coat you are using, you will need to check your cure times, but this is what the mirror chrome looks like once it has been finished top coating. As you can see, the shine and the mirror chrome effect is absolutely stunning. I think these are going to be really beautiful in all of your nail art designs. These are what the remaining colors in the collection looked like swatched. Let me know your favorite in the comments below. I really hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, then please do give it a thumbs up. As always, all of these products are linked in the video, and the website for Kiki London is also linked in the description box below as well, so do check that out. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Take care, lots of love, bye bye.